पहली बात तो ऑफ कोर्स वाज दैट ओनली दैट कि इतना रैडिकली डिफरेंट कुछ मुझे ऑफर हो रहा है तो इट्स अ बिग डील फॉर मी एंड इट वाज आल्सो so basically theater मैं बचपन से करते आ रहा हूँ like I was 9 years old when I started going on stage and like I had been on stage for the longest time तो on stage सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग चीज ये होती है कि आप 9 साल की उम्र में भी 80 साल का कैरेक्टर प्ले करते हो तो आपका इमेजिनेशन वैसे इतना खुल जाता है so I came with the notion that as an actor I can do anything मुझे आप बस पार्ट दे दो मुझे कुछ भी करना है तो जब आप कैमरा के सामने आते हो तो फिर रियलिस्टिक जोन में आपको जाना पड़ता है हर अप्रोच ऑफ स्टोरी टेलिंग बिकम्स वेरी क्लोजर टू लाइफ तो इसलिए आपकी उम्र के आसपास के आपको कैरेक्टर्स मिलते हैं आपके व्यवहार के आसपास के आपको कैरेक्टर्स मिलते हैं बट जब कोई मेकर स्पेशली अ मेकर लाइक नीरज पांडे एंड शीतल सर एंड देवात्मा एंड तुषार दा एवरीबडी हुज मेड दिस शो इफ दे फील कि यार इसको इसके व्यवहार इसकी उम्र इसके बैकग्राउंड इसके जो भी इसके एक्सपीरियंस से पूरा निकाल के कुछ और इसे दो तो इमीडिएटली यू फील एज एन एक्टर दैट यू बीन गिवन अ प्रिविलेज कि ये लीजिए एक प्लेटफॉर्म नेटफ्लिक्स जैसे प्लेटफॉर्म में ऐसे शो में एक सक्सेसफुल फ्रेंचाइज में आपको ये पार्ट मिल रहा है सो फॉर मी इट वाज द मोस्ट वैलिडेटिंग फैक्टर कि मुझे एक्सेप्ट किया गया या मुझे ऑफर किया गया कि ये आप कीजिए सो फर्स्टली दैट एक्साइटेड मी अ लॉट And secondly, the fact that I finally got to play a Bengali guy on screen, जो बहुत वक्त से मैं कोशिश कर रहा था कि कहीं ना कहीं मैं play कर लूँ. And I loved films like Devdas, like Piku, and so many others that was actually essentially Hindi films, but about the Bengali culture. तो ऐसा कुछ अगर मुझे मिल जाए, मैंने अपने सपनों में भी नहीं सोचा था कि खाकी the Bengal chapter जैसे fierce, aggressive, violent storytelling में मुझे एक बंगाली play करने का मौका मिलेगा. But I'm glad it happened, and here I am, and I'm so happy that you liked it. Thank you.
It happened organically. When the show was offered, and I went through the script and I got to know the story, the first thing which was on my mind was who is playing Sagur, because the script has a lot of chemistry and fondness towards the characters. And I was concerned about it. And then I met Ritvik, and I got to know that he's playing it. And I met him for the... I mean, we've met before in the radio days.
बहुत सालों
years ago, we had met for a brief meeting.
2013 के आसपास शायद.
13-14 के आसपास. Yeah, more than 10 years ago. So after spending 15 minutes with him, discussing the story and everything, understanding each other, I was kind of relaxed that, oh, nice, this man is awesome. And we both have a similar story. He was also thinking about that, and the same thing happened like that. And then after that, we discussed that, you know, it's very important for us to bring this chemistry out and things like that. But then we forgot, you know, then it started happening organically because followed by that, there were workshops, there were trainings and things like that, rehearsals and things like that. And that's when we created that world. And while we were creating that world, we created a strong brotherhood. And that just helped us not just in the show, but look at us. We found each other.
जैसे कुछ रिश्ते आप बनाते नहीं, कुछ रिश्ते आप कमाते
बन जाते हैं.
ये हमने कमा लिए एक दूसरे के साथ वक्त बिताते हुए.
I mean, we had a brief meeting
Very
that time.
brief.
I used to be a radio jockey back then.
What were you doing then?
So basically, his acting coach was my dean in acting school.
Oh.
And he had told me that I'm going for one of my private classes and I need an actor for scene work. So will you accompany me?
Oh,
So I went with him, and then I noticed that I've been escorted into a radio office. तो मुझे लग रहा था कि रेडियो ऑफिस में कौन सी एक्टिंग वर्कशॉप हो रही होगी पता नहीं मुझे. And this really tall, good-looking guy walks out and says,
Are you serious? You had a scene, like you actually worked on a scene?
Yeah. No, we
Back
didn't end up
then.
doing anything that day, I think, but we
Okay.
met for the
Yeah,
first time
yeah,
for sure.
yeah.
And he just came out and he was
Oh,
talking to Sir,
wow.
and Sir said कि ये मेरे स्कूल के बच्चे हैं, ये भी आए हुए हैं, he'll probably do the scene with you and all of that.
How
And he said,
nice.
"Hi, I'm Nasser." और मैंने वो आवाज सुनी और मैंने इनका शो तो मैं देखता हूँ. I'm a fan. I used to
Oh my
really listen to. So we used to
God,
go.
that's
My friend and I used to go on drives at night, and we used to write, and we used to just come up with ideas and stories at that point in time. और उस रात के drives में हम सुनते थे Naughty Nights with Nasser. And then out of nowhere I meet him, and that was that brief meeting. We spent like we just said hi, hello to each other, and then Sir and you did like some work together, 15-20 minutes, and then he said कि आज हम scene नहीं कर रहे, we'll come back later. Then we never met.
Then we never met.
And then I guess briefly in Goa out of nowhere.
Oh yes.
In Goa out of
Goa
nowhere.
also just said hi to each other out of nowhere.
Because we had a mutual friend.
Yeah.
Or cut
They're
to-
long lost brothers.
Because this
Yeah,
was destined to happen.
It was destined. It was destined.
This is magic.
Seriously, this is
I mean, for
really-
whatever little work that I have done, this is rare.
Very rare.
This doesn't happen. I don't know
Very
whether
rare.
this will ever happen again or no.
That's
I
true.
hope it will. But this is rare.
Yeah, absolutely.
मतलब आप सॉरी
No,
मैं
no,
एक
no.
ही सवाल पे
नहीं,
मैं
नहीं,
बिल्ड
please,
किया जा
please,
रहा
please
हूँ
go for it.
मतलब ऐसा हो सकता है कि आप किसी एक को-एक्टर के साथ आपका ऑन फ्लोर केमिस्ट्री बहुत अच्छा जमे कि आपके क्राफ्ट सिमिलर हो आपकी थिंकिंग सिमिलर हो बट वो सेम रिलेशनशिप ऑफ स्क्रीन भी हो वो डिफिकल्ट है और बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि ऑफ स्क्रीन आपकी दोस्ती बहुत अच्छी बट आप कैमरा पे वो ट्रांसलेट नहीं
Correct.
होती
Yeah, true.
but to have this
Yeah.
where it's working everywhere you know like off screen on screen in general also it's very
So
rare.
that time you couldn't
Magical.
do a scene together, but now you've.
Now
Did a
we're
show
doing a
together.
show
Oh my God. Destiny.
Yeah.
See, I mean, everything was already written. I'll be very honest. This is a very, the writing is so detailed, and obviously with Neeraj Pandey, you know, being the creator, you know, so to speak, everything is there on paper. But like I've said, you know, before, the one thing that they discussed with me in the beginning when we met was that, you know, there has to be an inherent quality of a certain amount of sincerity, idealism, passion that you know, started somewhere in college politics, you know, us tarah ki ek idea of what the world should be types. And then she's carried on and she's become like the leader of the opposition today. So there has to be a sense of that pain, jo bhi hai, like angst, you know, of all politicians, I suppose. So ek wo inherent ek uske andar quality honi chahiye. Of course, beyond that, there's a story, there's an emotional graph, there's everything else that's running for the character. And matlab, the fact that, you know, you're getting to play a very, it's a very, how do you say, it's a very good honorable part, you know, to play this person with such integrity and there's a certain amount of dignity to her, you know, it itself lends, I mean, makes it larger than life to some extent. So that, I mean, of course, I loved playing it, and the fact that there's such an amazing cast, you know, Jeet, like they are superstars, they're the greats, you know, that you get to be part of. And then there's Khaki, the franchise, you know, after the Bihar chapter, and then everything, Netflix, my God, at the end of it, it's like, got a stamp of this, you know, is the biggest platform to be on. So everything was just amazing. Yeah, it was just, like the energies were just so high. So yeah, I loved it. And I think after my first film, I've done something which is very similar looking in like the characterization is kind of similar. So it's been what, almost 20 years. So it's come to me after a long time. Yeah.